There are three primary differences between the BISSELL TurboClean Pet and the TurboClean Pet XL, and I'll tell you about each. Both of these make short work of cleaning carpets and rugs, and both will allow you to replace that expensive carpet cleaning service that you end up springing for every year. And the price point is great for each. Both also convert into a carpet stain remover similar to the BISSELL Little Green machine by attaching a hose and a brush for close-up jobs. The first difference between these two machines is easily visible in the size of the brush roller. The roller on the TurboClean Pet XL is significantly wider than the roller on the TurboClean Pet, allowing you to make fewer passes in a room to get it clean. The second difference is in the water reservoirs. The clean and dirty water reservoirs are significantly larger on the Pet XL, which means you won't have to refill your water nearly as often as you will on the TurboClean Pet. So if you've got a larger home, I would definitely spring for the Pet XL. The final difference is that the hand brush tool on the TurboClean Pet actually has a self-cleaning mode, which is super handy and makes cleaning out the hose and brush completely a hands-off job. You don't get that self-cleaning functionality on the Pet XL, unfortunately. So if you have a small to medium cleaning area and you don't want to spend as much time cleaning out the machine after using it, the TurboClean Pet would be a great option for you. In the end, both of these are really great machines and you'll be happy with either one you choose.